was in cahoots and conniving and all. Everybody was about Jezebel. She ran the whole thing. Read on, Brother Kenny. I'm getting to a point. I'm almost through. I'm not going to be real long. I'm almost through. We got here. It is 12:18. I'm running on. I'm on good time today. I'm not going to be overtime today. Read.
And it came to pass when Joram saw Jehu that he said, "It is peace." Jehu
answered.
And he answered, "The peace is so long as the whoredoms."
What peace so long as the
whoredoms of thy mother Jezebel?
Long as the Jezebel, the hoe, is running stuff. Read.
Mother Jezebel, her witchcraft for so many.
And the witch, she a witch and a hoe. That's bad, ain't it?
Oh my, oh my.
A witch and a hoe. As long as she running stuff, ain't gonna be no peace. The best peace you can do is get away from her. Read. Skip on down to verse number 24.
And Jehu drew.
The man on that horse, he drew
a bow.
He drew a bow.
With his
full strength.
And smote Jehu.
He shot it a long way and pulled that bow back. And he what?
He smote Joram between his arms.
He smote the king between his arms.
And the arrow went out at his heart. And he sunk down.
The man didn't play. He killed one of the kings just like that. Read.
Then said Jehu, the Bidkar, his captain, take up and cast him in the portion of the field of Naboth.
He took him and found his chariot and threw him in the field of Naboth. And in the last part, it says, Ahab, his father, the Lord laid his burden upon him. He took on his daddy's spirit and his mama's spirit, and he wasn't hitting on nothing, so he got rid of him. Some stuff ain't gonna never be fixed. You know what I said earlier? Some stuff is not gonna be fixed. You got to kill it out.
Amen.
Some stuff is gonna be fixed. Some stuff is gone. It's disease. Because I tell you, my mama used to take these chickens. You know how you want used to say stuff. Y'all heard me say this before. and the chicken had to start. You know how you try to save food, and it started to smell. And she took